Hi everyone, welcome back to Amazing Food Amen. Today we are making mutton biryani, a rich, flavorful and mouth-watering dish that's perfect for special occasions or when you are craving something delicious. Stick around because I will guide you step by step in easy way so you can make the best biryani at home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Let's get cooking. How to cook mutton biryani? Full recipe. Mutton biryani is a royal and aromatic rice dish made with tender mutton, fragrant basmati rice, and a mix of spices. It's cooked in layers and low cooked dum style to bring out the best flavors. This dish is popular in India, Pakistan, and the Middle East with slight variations in each region. Ingredients you will need. Here is what you need to make mutton biryani for 4 to 5 people. For marination, 500 gram mutton, goat or lamb, bone in pieces. Half cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, salt to taste. For rice, 2 cups basmati rice, 2 cups water, 1 bay leaf, 4 to 5 cloves, 2 to 3 cardamom pods, 1 inch cinnamon stick, salt to taste. For biryani, gravy and layers, 2 large onions, thinly sliced, 2 tomatoes chopped, half cup mint leaves chopped, half cup coriander leaves chopped, 2 green chilies slit, half cup fried onions for garnish, half cup ghee or oil, 1 teaspoon biryani masala, optional, a pinch of saffron soaked in 2 tablespoons warm milk for color. Step by step cooking and instructions. Step 1. Marinate the mutton. In a large bowl, mix mutton pieces with yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric, garam masala, coriander powder, cumin powder, and salt. Cover and let it marinate for at least 2 hours or overnight for best taste. Cook the mutton gravy, heat oil and ghee in a pressure cooker or deep pan. Add whole spices, bay leaf, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, and let them sizzle. And sliced onions and fry until golden brown. Add marinated mutton and cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Add chopped tomatoes, green chilies and cook until tomatoes turn soft. Add half cup water. Cover and cook until mutton is tender about 20 to 25 minutes in a pressure cooker or 40 to 45 minutes in a pan. Once done, the gravy should be thick, not watery. Prepare a rice. Wash basmati rice 2 to 3 times and soak for 20 minutes. In a pot, boil 4 cups water with salt, bay leaf, cloves, cardamom, and cinnamon. Drain the soaked rice and add to boiling water. Cook until the rice is 70% done. It should still have a slight bite. Drain the water and keep the rice aside. Layering the biryani dum cooking. Take a heavy bottom pot or handy. Spread a layer of half cooked rice. At the bottom, add a layer of cooked mutton gravy on top. Sprinkle chopped mint, coriander, fried onions, and biryani masala. Repeat with another layer of rice and remaining gravy. Drizzle saffron milk and 1 to 2 tsv ghee on top. Cover with a tight lid or seal with dough to trap steam. Cook on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Dum cooking. Serving the biryani. After dum cooking, gently mix the biryani layers. Garnish with fried onions, mint, and corianders. Serve hot with raita, salad, and boiled eggs. Tips for perfect mutton biryani. Use good quality basmati rice for long grains and fragrance. Marinate mutton for at least 2 hours for tender meat. Don't overcook rice before layering. 70% cooked is enough. Slow cooking is key for rich flavor. Add saffron and fried onions for extra taste and aroma. There are some common mistakes you should avoid. Using too much water make biryani soggy. Overcooking rice before layering leads to mushy biryani. Skipping marination time, mutton won't be tender. High flame during dum cooking can burn the bottom layer. Variations of mutton biryani. Hyderabadi biryani spicer with more masala. Lucknow biryani mild and fragrant with less chili. Kolkata biryani uses potatoes and fewer spices. Sindhi biryani includes potatoes and more tomatoes. Some people ask some questions. For example, someone asked, can I use chicken instead of mutton? Yes, you can make chicken biryani the same way but reduce cooking time. For example, someone asked, what if I don't have a pressure cooker? You can cook mutton in a deep pan on low heat for 45 to 50 minutes until tender. A person can ask how to store leftover biryani. You can keep in the fridge for 2 to 3 days and reheat with little water to keep it moist. For example, a person asks, I want to make a biryani. Can I make biryani without saffron? Yes, but saffron adds great color and flavor. You can use turmeric for color. Butter biryani is a luxurious, flavorful dish that takes time but is worth the effort. Follow these steps carefully and you will get restaurant style biryani at home. Enjoy it with family and friends. And that's how you make perfect mutton biryani at home. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, share with friends, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Let me know in the comments how your biryani turned out. Until next time, happy cooking.